In this episode, we're going to build an anonymous authorization service with Angular 4 and Firebase. This feature will allow a user to start using your app without going through the typical OAuth sign-in or email password registration process. This approach is also called lazy registration or gradual engagement. It works by creating a session using only the user ID. If a user signs out without updating more account details, they will be unable to log back in and retrieve any data that they created. At this point, it's assumed that you have the Angular Fire 2 package installed and bootstrapped into your application. If not, go to the docs or check out this video. If starting from scratch, generate the Auth Service. I'm actually going to be building upon the Auth Service from my previous OAuth tutorial, so I recommend checking out that video first if you haven't already. Head over to your Firebase project and enable the anonymous provider. First, make sure to subscribe to the Firebase auth state in the constructor. Then write a function to log in the user with the anonymous provider. And let's also add a TypeScript getter to see if a user who's currently logged in is anonymous or not. This will be useful when displaying content specifically for anonymous users in the template. Now we can inject the service into our components to log in users anonymously. In this case, we just bind the function to the click event of any button or link in the template. When the anonymous user decides to upgrade, you'll need to transfer the account data to a new account or somehow link the two accounts together. The Firebase Web API supports account linking, but in order to do this, you would need to bypass the Angular Fire 2 package. As an alternative, you can simply create a new account and then transfer the user's data to it. Assuming your data is nested under a user ID, here's how you could map it to a new account. The function works by taking a snapshot of the data nested under the anonymous ID. Then it copies that data to the new account after the user successfully logs in with Google. That's it for Anonymous Auth. Check out the full article for more details, and I'll see you next time.